is my dad circa 1978. Yes, this is him playing. Yes, this is his song. And yes, he was super cool. When he was around my age, he would listen to artists like Alice Cooper and Led Zeppelin. He was deeply devoted to music. But like all things, he got older. Now he sees patience, assessing them and getting people into tune. People who live in a kind of blue world that drones on forever without really resolving, a dreamlike yet melancholic bliss of sadness. Or people who live in distress and dissonance, unable to even leave the house because they're so fearful of the outside world. And people like my mother, unstable and unpredictable. I've never been good with words. In my opinion, they are a detriment to human emotion. Such a complex, intricate thing to understand, and we boil it down to words. I have always preferred something more grand. For example, I don't fully feel sadness unless it's told by the likes of Nick Drake or Elliott Smith.
What was I supposed to say?
Of course, there's the clash when I need that bit of teenage antagonism. And though I haven't fallen in love yet, I have a feeling it will sound like a Beatles song. Without music, I don't know what I would do. Often my favorite music is associated with a memory. Like Radiohead during a late night drive, or talking to my dad while the car plays King Crimson. Or singing Jeff Mangum at a karaoke party and watching people's faces turn to confusion. If I could spend my whole life listening to music, learning about it, talking about it, writing and reading about it, I would take that up in a heartbeat. Because words obviously don't do life enough justice.